Okay, so we're going to start with translations. We're on page 434, or 435 in the book. Okay, the first thing we have to talk about is what a transformation is. So a transformation is an operation that maps an original geometric figure onto a new figure. Okay, so we're going to be moving things. Okay, mapping means we're moving things. The original geometric figure is going to be called a pre-image, and the new figure is going to be called the image. Okay, that's very important to know. Okay, so the graph shows a point on the coordinate plane that has been transformed to a new point. On the graph A, this one right here, that's the pre-image. And then this one down here is the image. If you notice, it has a prime. It has, okay, A prime. Okay. So if I'm looking at this, a translation is a transformation that slides a figure from one position to another without turning it. It just moves up, down, left, right. It doesn't turn at all. Okay? When translating a figure, every point of the pre-image is moved the same distance and same direction. Okay? So this one right here translates 3 units to the left and 2 units down. Okay? So if I look at A, it went over 1, 2, 3, and it went down 2. Okay? If I look at B, it went to the left 3, it went down 2. If I look at C, it went to the left 3, and it went down 2. You're not going to be writing those lines that we just did, but I was just showing you that that's what happened. So on this one, it says, graph the image JKL after a translation of 2 units to the right. So we're going to go to the right 2 units, and then we're going to go down 5 units. Okay? So I'm going to go to the left 2 units, and I'm going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So that gets me right here, and I don't need these lines right here, and that's going to get me J prime. Okay? So again, I'm going to go 2 units to the right, and I'm going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to make a point, and that's going to be K prime. And again, I don't actually need those lines. And then, I don't know. We're going to go 2 to the left. We're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to call that L prime. Here we go. And now I'm going to connect the points. And now I have my new triangle of J prime, K prime, L prime. Okay. Now, let's look at what the points are. So we're going to look here, and that's the point -1, -1. So we're going to come down here, and we're going to put -1, -1. Okay. It's going to be 3, -2. Okay, and last but certainly not least is -2 to -4. -2, -4. Okay, so this is not in the book, but I am going to go over this real quick. In order to go from -3 to this right here, we added 2. So we took the x and we added 2. Then to go from 4 to -1, we subtracted 5 from the y. And that is my rule.